Are you live streaming on TikTok but getting no viewers? Streaming for hours and only 2 to 3 people join. So discouraging, right? In this video, I'll show you a software that automatically increases your TikTok live stream viewers, helping you get hundreds of views in just a few minutes.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video. I'm Trantai Marketing, specializing in providing software solutions to help automate tasks on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. As you can see from the beginning of my video, I'm using a software tool that helps increase the view count for your live streams on TikTok. The way the software works is that it automatically opens all those TikTok accounts, and each account acts like a real user coming in to watch your video, increase your view count, and drop likes or hearts on your live stream. They can also comment directly according to the script that you have set up in the software. So to understand how this works, make sure to watch this entire video. I will guide you through the detailed steps. If you're interested in these automation tools, you can contact me through the information here. For example, you can message me on WhatsApp or on Telegram. My Telegram is TranthaiMKT. So on Telegram, I have a channel. Here, this is my own personal channel. In this channel, I will update information about software and videos on automation. I will also update promotional programs along with these automation videos, so you can join my channel to get daily updates. So this is the interface of the software. This software will aggregate all the other software. For example, if you want to automate on WhatsApp, it will be WhatsApp marketing. Or if you want to increase views for your YouTuber videos, you can use MKT YouTube. Or if you want to boost views for your TikTok live stream, you will use MKT TikTok. So this is the interface of the software. First, the software will help you manage an unlimited number of TikTok accounts. Here, these are all the TikTok accounts. You can just add the username and password formats here. After that, when you add them, it will automatically log them all in here. These TikTok accounts will act as your customers. So the more TikTok accounts you have, the more effective it will be, helping you increase your views even more. And you can actually buy these TikTok accounts. You can purchase these TikTok accounts. I bought all of these TikTok accounts, and when you buy them, they're already created for you. These are accounts that were created a long time ago, so their conversion rate is very high. And rest assured, each of these TikTok accounts will be assigned a proxy in the proxy section here. A proxy will help you change the IP address of your TikTok accounts. When each TikTok account is assigned a proxy, it will have a different device address, so the TikTok platform won't detect it, making your live stream session very safe. So you can rest assured about that part. Next, if you want to increase the view count for your live stream, you'll select the seeding section. Here, it's divided into several functions. For example, you can increase views for a video or boost a live stream. If you want to boost your live stream, just select it. First, you'll need to paste the links to your live streams here. Paste them here and then save. Next, you'll set how long these accounts will watch. For example, if you want these accounts to watch a live stream session for 500 to 1000 seconds, you'll enter that here. Or if you want them to watch for a certain number of hours, you can enter that number here. Next, in the section for liking the video, you'll need to tick this option. For automatic commenting, select this option and you can enter the comment content you want in the input field here. These are the contents I've entered here. Each comment corresponds to one line. There, save it. And next, you just need to select these TikTok accounts. Tick all of them for me and just press start. Then the software will automatically open those TikTok accounts and it will automatically go to your live stream link, watch, like, and interact. By increasing interactions on your live stream, the platform will recommend your live stream to real customers. As you can imagine, KOLs, KOCs, and streamers with a lot of viewers actually use tools like this to boost interactions on their live streams.